Hello everyone! It's Saturn Day, January 19th, 2019, and this is Bootleg Crash Course.
Today, we will be talking about the second largest planet in our solar system, Saturn. It is the sixth planet from the sun.
And it's been so fast that one day is only 10 hours, and since it's 890 miles from the sun, it's really cold. And if you pass elementary school, you know it has rings.
The rings, though, are not solid. They are made of water ice, and they're super thin and flat.
They're only 10 meters thick, meaning that to scale it would be thinner than a piece of paper. The rings are split up into various sections, but the three main groups of the rings are called A, B, and C.
Saturn is a naked eye planet. No, not in the scandalous way that you're thinking. That just means that you can see it without a telescope. Saturn is also a thick boy, meaning that its atmosphere is super thick.
Just because it's thick doesn't mean it's dense. Saturn is actually the least dense planet in our solar system, 2/3 of that of water, meaning that if we had enough water, Saturn would float.
Although Saturn is less dense, its rock core is bigger than that of the size of Earth, which in comparison is actually not very big. Saturn's rock core is made of molecular and metallic hydrogen.
And back to AJ with the information that this is supposed to be about.
Alright, welcome to the best part of this video, where I get to talk about dates. So, in 700 BCE, the oldest written records documenting Saturn are attributed to the Assyrians, who described the ring planet as a sparkle in the night and named it the Star of Nineveh. Then, in 400 BCE, ancient Greek astronomers named what they thought was a wandering star in honor of Kronos, their god of agriculture. Then, the Romans later came along and changed it to Saturn, also their god of agriculture. Saturn has been revealed in Hubble Space Telescope observations. Pioneer 10 made the first close observations of Saturn, followed by more detailed flybys by both Voyager 1 and 2. But no spacecraft have revealed more about Saturn, its rings, and moons than the Cassini orbiter and the Huygens probe, which landed in Titan in 2005. September 1st, 1979, Pioneer 11 was the first Reachcraft to reach Saturn. Among Pioneer 11's many discoveries are Saturn's F ring and a new moon. In July 1st, 2004, NASA's Cassini spacecraft becomes the first to orbit Saturn, beginning a decade-long mission. January 14th, 2005, the European Space Agency's Huygens probe is the first spacecraft to make a soft landing on the surface of another planet's moon, Saturn's giant moon Titan. September 17, 2006, scientists discover a new ring. The new ring coincides with the orbits of Saturn's moons Janus and Epithemus. Then, finally, in September 15th, 2017, Cassini ends a 13-year orbital mission with a spectacular planned plunge into Saturn's atmosphere, sending science data back to the last second. Cassini's final 5 orbits enabled scientists to directly sample Saturn's atmosphere for the first time.
Armstrong. It's a sketchy past, Armstrong.
Water ice?
Yes.
Is it water ice?
No, some of it is like nitrogen ice.
I'm wearing all my favorite brands.
You have another line, stupid.
You're right.
Jump out.
Do a flip.
That's the extent of my gymnastics.
Action. And take 2. Take 3.
Wait, should we just start over from
Take 4.
from what I just said? Start
The
over from
rings
there.
split up. Start from there.
Okay.
Take 5.